So we're standing in our infant room, and our infant room is one of our most important rooms because you know what? This is where you as a mom have got to trust us to be able to take care of your little one. It is so hard when you have that newborn baby and you need to be able to put the child in childcare. Those bonds that you have with your child, we also have to make that bond with your child. So this is a very protective bubble. You're going to have the same teachers in this room all of the time, and also through our messaging app you are going to be able to go back and forth with the teacher. You have the cameras, you're going to be able to look in the classroom and see how your child is doing. But you know what? We're going to have your child all day long, so we need to make sure that we are helping your child meet all of those milestones. So around the room, everything is set up to help the child have success as an infant and to get them prepared for a toddler classroom. So from the teachers and their interactions of talking with them, of parallel talking with them while they're changing diapers, them singing to them. Again, circle time is a big one. Every morning at 9 o'clock we encourage you to watch your camera because that is when circle time happens. And even in the infant room, the teacher's going to be sitting on the floor, have all of the babies on the floor with her around, and they are going to be doing that interactive circle time as well. So from the little ones all the way up to the older ones, they all are going to participate in that circle time. The staff in here are going to work off of developmental cards because every child is going to excel at different rates. So they have different types of cards that they're going to work with them to help ensure that your child is meeting all of their developmental milestones. So once again, we always encourage you, come in, take a tour with us. We want to show you our infant sensory room and what's going to happen in that infant sensory room. We want you to meet the staff here in the classroom, and we want you to be as comfortable as you can be dropping your baby off for the first time in a child care facility.